Okay, so what is up guys? Welcome to Setup Tips episode 12. 12 episodes of setup tips already, and today's video is something that you generally would probably overlook in most setups, but it's actually quite important. Adding life to your setup. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to talk about adding some greenery or some life to your setup. A lot of people don't see the importance of this, and some people do see the importance, but they choose not to do it because they're scared they might kill a plant because they're not good at nurturing things like that. And that is totally understandable. I am one of those people. If I had a plant that I had to water every day, good chances I'll probably kill the plant after a few months because I'll probably just get tired of going to do it. In any case, some people are not like that, so they keep real plants on their desk. But for people like us who actually want to add some greenery to our setups without actually killing anything, there are actually going to be options for you from places like IKEA and even Etsy. In my case, the particular one that's on my desk is this tiny IKEA Fujifilm plant, and I've had this for a few years. This thing probably cost me like 10-15 bucks when I got it, and it's been an excellent addition to my setup ever since I've had it. It just adds that little bit of life, and it's also a very nice prop for when I'm shooting B-roll footages of keyboards and mice and phones and stuff like that. It's really nice to have. Another one that you might have noticed in a lot of my videos is a huge plant off to my left or my right, depending on what location I am shooting the video in. You might have noticed this plant from different angles in the same studio in the past. And you know, I put it there because I wanted to add a little bit of life and bokeh to my setup. What you might not have realized though throughout all those videos is that that's actually an artificial plant, and I don't have to water that or keep it alive. It just stays looking that way all the time, and all I have to do is clean it sometimes and I'm good. One little trick that I like to do with my potted plants that I use that are really large is that I like to add the string lights that use remote controls that I buy from Amazon for around $15-20, and I basically just wrap them around the tree at random to make sure that they look a certain way and they look scattered enough, and they look excellent when you're shooting A-roll like this or when you're shooting B-roll. It's fantastic. Honestly, you cannot beat it. If you've seen any of my videos where I was shooting earbuds indoors and I was using a model or something, I generally tend to use that to bokeh or to shoot the back of like my thumbnails and to make them look really fancy. That's one more thing that you can actually do with these trees and this plant and this light, and it actually looks fantastic. I'm going to have links to everything that I talked about in this video in the description below, and if you'd like to get an IKEA Fujifilm plant for yourself, just leave a comment in the comment section telling me that you actually want to have one of this in your setup. And if this video gets to 100 likes, I'm going to be shipping 10 of this to 10 different subscribers who actually say they want this. Anyways, that was pretty much Setup Tips episode 12. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace. The Kagan of Gods.